That's my Lite-GDH. Primo Lynx frame. Kink bar. Primo iron stand. Kink titanium interior headset. Primo strand fork. So fit, pivot seat, clever, federal sling post. So in the back I have the profile racing home with titanium driver and Spindle driver in 9 feet. Mechanik chain, the instrument Medusa V2, premium pedals, profile cranks with titanium spindle and titanium bolt, Alienation style strong with tight spokes. Alienation Devian rim with tight spokes. That's it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Titanium bolts for my stem. Fit rubber grips. Yeah. Kink barrels. Yeah, that's it.